Kotlin collections. We learned about collections conceptually. Now we see how Kotlin implements them. Lists, sets, maps, mutable and immutable. Powerful operations. Today we master Kotlin's collection types and their operations. Kotlin has three main collection types. List, ordered collection with duplicates allowed. Access by index, first, second, third element. Set, unordered collection with no duplicates. Membership matters. Is this element present? Map, key value pairs. Look up values by key. Like a dictionary, each has two variants, read-only and mutable. Read-only you can read but not modify. Set, mutable you can add, remove and modify. Mutable list, mutable set, mutable map. Read-only is the default. Prefer immutability unless you need to modify. Create list of val numbers equals list of 1, 2, 3. Create mutable lists with mutable list of val mutable numbers equals mutable list of 1, 2, 3. Create sets with set of val unique names equals set of Alice, Bob. Create maps with map of val ages equals map of Alice to 30. Bob val ages equals map of Alice to 30, Bob to 25. It is shorthand for pair Alice. 30. Type inference works. List of 1, 2, 3 is list of int. The compiler knows. Access elements by index list bracket 0 or list.get0. First and last, list.first, list.last, safe versions, first or ends all, last or null, size, list.size. Is it empty? List.is empty. To contains list.contains element or element in list, find list.contains element or element in list. Find list.contains elements 1, index list.twined with con-1, null, index list.index of elements, well, it's of sublists, list.sublist 0, free, or list.take 3. For mutable lists, add, remove, clear, set. Sets focus on membership, not order. Create val set equals set of 1, 2, 3, 2. Result has no duplicate 2. Check membership element in set. Fast lookup. Set operations union to combine, intersect for common, subtract for difference. Set A union set B gives all elements from both. Set A intersect set B gives elements in both. Set A subtract set B gives elements in A but not B. For mutable sets, add, remove, clear. Map store key value pairs. Access map bracket key or map.get key. Returns null if key not found. Safe access map.get or default key default. Keys and values map.keys gives all keys. Map.values gives all keys. Entries map.entries gives e-value pairs. Entries map.entries gives key value pairs. Contains key in map or map.contains key value. For mutable maps, put key, value, remove key, clear. Shorthand map bracket key equals value for put. Filter keeps elements matching a condition. Val evens equals numbers dot filter, open brace it, mod2 equals 0 close brace. Map transforms each element. Val doubled equals numbers dot map open brace it times 2 close brace. These are the most common collection operations. They work on lists, sets, and other iterables. Chain them numbers.filter open brace it greater than 0 close brace map open brace it times 2 close brace. Filter produces a smaller or equal collection. Map produces a collection of the same size. Both return new collections. The original is unchanged. Flat map, transform and flatten. Each element becomes a list, all lists combined. Val nested equals list of 1, 2, list of 3, 4. Nested.flatten gives list of 1, 2, 3, 4, group by, group elements by a key. People.group by open bracet.city close brace gives map of string to list of person. Associate, create a map from elements. people.associate by open bracket.id close brace gives map of long to person. Partition split into two lists based on condition. Val evens and odds equals numbers. Dot partition open bracket mod 2 equals 0 close brace. Reduce combine all elements into one. Numbers.reduce open brace arc n arrow arc plus n close brace gives the sum. Fold like reduce but with an initial value. Numbers.fold 0 open brace arc n arrow arc plus n close brace arc n arrow arc plus n close brace also gives the sum. Use fold when the result type differs from element type. What? Numbers.sum is cleaner than the reduce for addition. First with condition, last with condition, find specific elements. Destructuring extracts components. For pairs, val key and value equals pair. For lists, val first, second, third equals list of 1, 2, 3. In loops, for key and value in map, use both. Data classes support destructuring. Val name and age equals person. Destructuring makes code cleaner when working with structured data. Use underscore to skip val name and underscore equals pair. Ignore the second component. Let us summarize. List, set, map are Kotlin's main collection types. Read only by default. Use mutable variants when needed. Create with list of, set of, map of. Mutable with mutable list of, etc. Filter selects elements. Map transforms elements. Flat map transforms elements. Flat map transforms elements into one result. Destructuring extracts components from pairs, lists, and data classes. Collections are fundamental to Kotlin programming.